this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Wuxi M.Y Advanced Grill Company. Our company has already found more than 10 years.
M.Y covers an area around 8,000 square meters. All of our workers have more than 10 years experience in ceramics. We will make different Kamado grill color effects, design the shape and internal configuration of grills according to customers' requirements. We can see behind of me is our 75 meters length pusher kilns. Our company has 2 pusher kilns, 2 shuttle kilns, and 1 electric kiln. Electric kiln is used for experimentation and development of new products. The capacity of 2 pusher kilns is 5,000 to 6,500 sets per month. Now let's take a closer look at the detailed process. We can notice here are our finished products, and they are the third inspection of ceramic parts. Which we need to assemble with other metal and accessories later. This is our assembling area. These are our finished products. Our partners are all over the world, such as Australia, America, Europe, and so on. Our well-known customers are Costco, Walmart, Barnes, and Aldi. Now these grills will be sent to Europe. Next, we are going to visit our spare parts workshop. Let's view some of our finished products. provide 8-size Kamado and accessories. The 8 size of grills are 21.5 inch, 22 inch, 24 inch, 27 inch, 13 inch, 15 inch, 16 inch, and 80 inch Kamado grill. The grill has an adjustable hinge, which allows you to keep the lid attached instead of having to fully remove and handle the lid. The lid can stop at any angle. The grill dome can be lifted with a single finger to give the most comfortable grilling experience there is. It also includes a 4-leg cart with 2 locking casters for easy mobility. Folding side shelves allow for a larger purple area while in use and when filled. The versatile side shelves allow for easy storage. Our grill glaze is a leader in ceramic Kamado grill industry. Our glaze colors range from ordinary bright gray series, stylish matte gray series, and the most characteristic is our frost gray series and bubble gray series.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.